This video will show you how to run Gemma 4 locally. Running AI models locally ensures your data remains totally private and processing is 100% free. Running the AI on your device means processing is free and your queries are totally private with no external network calls required. The appropriate Gemma 4 model depends on your system's RAM. Low RAM or mobile devices should use E2B or E4B models. The 26B model requires 16 gigabytes of RAM, and the 31B model needs 24 plus GB. To start, install the backend engine. Use the curl command shown to download and install the core infrastructure required to run the models natively. Next, pull the open source model. The Run Gemma 4 2B command initiates the direct download of the lightweight model to your local storage. Observe the download sequence. The "pulling manifest phase" confirms the files are being transferred. The model size, in this case, is approximately 1.5 gigabytes. Once the download is complete, verify the local compute is active by entering a simple prompt. The "thinking status" followed by a response confirms the model is running. Now configure the interface to transition from the backend engine routing to the local UI client. Execute the "configure local" command. When routing to the local engine, select Local Engine 127.0.0.1, 11,434. This crucial step retains the default local loopback address to bypass external cloud configurations. Select the specific model you downloaded. In this example, Gemma 4 2B is chosen, ensuring you are interacting with the desired local AI model. Restart the gateway using the "gateway restart" command. Once initialization is complete and the status is active, the local model is fully operational. The final step is launching the dashboard. Type "dashboard" to bridge the command line interface and the graphical user interface. Perform the GUI test. Select Model Gemma 4 E2B from the dropdown. Note that the system requires 10 to 20 seconds to warm up on the first query. Confirm local execution by querying the system diagnostics. The response should clearly indicate main host local machine and configuration runtime agent, providing irrefutable hardware proof. Your private AI stack is built on 3 components: the front-end interface, communicating via local port 11,434 to the underlying Gemma 4 core model running locally.